Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to understand crypto, web3 and how people are actually making money in this space, you're in the right place. Most people enter crypto the wrong way, and that's exactly what I will fix for you in this channel. My name is Danny, also known as DannyCrypto. I'm a professional crypto trader with years of experience across trading, web3 projects and various opportunities within this crypto space. I created this channel because I noticed a lot of people enter crypto without understanding how it really works. They hear about coins late, jump into trends and miss better opportunities. So I decided to build a platform where I can break things down in a simple way. And that is exactly what this channel is all about. I will also guide you on how to stay safe in Web3, how to transact correctly, protect your assets, and avoid common mistakes that lead to losses. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on my future content. Now on this channel, I'll be sharing crypto opportunities, how to become a profitable crypto trader, and everything about trading, Web3 projects and how you earn from it, blockchain ecosystems, and simple guides to help you understand what you're doing in this crypto space. So let's start by talking about the crypto space, which is what I call the Web3 space. What is Web3? Web3 is the next evolution of the internet where you control your money, data, and digital assets instead of big companies controlling everything for you. Now let me give you a simple breakdown so you can perfectly understand what Web3 is all about. So let's go back to the Web 1. So Web 1 is the old internet, that's the old version, where you could only read what you see on websites and blogs, but you can't do anything else apart from just viewing it. So what we had in Web 1 back then is just websites and blogs. Now let's talk about the Web 2. So Web 2 is the current internet. That is what we currently have now, where you can as well read the internet and make your own posts about anything. That is Web 2. So example of Web 2 is your social media like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Google, and other social media platforms. That is Web 2. So the difference between Web 1 and Web 2 is that the Web 1 gives you access to the internet, just website and blogs, but you can't interact, you can't post. But when it comes to Web 2, this is where you can also have access to the internet and also post and create your own content. But one thing you should know about Web 2 is that your data and information are being controlled by the companies like Facebook, Google, and the other social media platforms that you make use of. So now let's talk about the new internet, which is known as the Web 3. Now in Web 3, you can also read the internet and you can post your own, like write whatever you want to write. And not just that, you also own your activities, your achievements in Web 3. And Web 3 is built on the blockchain. So let's talk about the difference between Web 2 and Web 3. In Web 3, everything you do in Web 3 is being controlled by you personally. There is no central control. Like nobody controls your data and information. But in Web 2, all your details and data are being controlled by the people that created that particular platforms. But when it comes to Web 3, it is a different game, which is why we have the blockchain technology. Web 3 is the new internet that is developed on the blockchain. So the key features of Web 3 is number one, you own your money. So let me give another example of Web 2 right here. So Web 2 is like your bank account, like you have a bank account, right? So your bank is being controlled by an organization. At least there's an authority that controls your money. So that is it. But when it comes to Web 3, you own your money. So any money you have, you own it. So there is no bank needed. You can use your crypto like Bitcoin and Ethereum and every other type of cryptocurrency globally. No matter your country, you can transact and send money from one place to another. And that is Web 3 for you. It's something that you have full control of. It is not like the Web 2 where there is always control of your data by other companies and authorities. So another key feature of the Web 3 is that you own digital assets like NFTs. So NFT is actually a digital asset, is a proof of ownership when it comes to the internet. So you get to learn about that very soon. So another key feature of Web 3 is called smart contracts. This is where automated systems that runs without middlemen. Imagine a business that operates on the blockchain on its own where nobody controls it. Which means when you engage in this platform, you are 100% control of whatever you do there. Nobody's controlling it. Just imagine that. That is what we call freedom. That's Web 3 for you. Now, number 4 key feature of Web 3 is that there is no central authority, okay? No single company controls anything. Like this is not a place where you see a company controlling everything, like central bank that controls all transactions when it comes to fiat currency. But in Web 3, there is no central authority like that. It is 100% decentralized. You can control everything you do within your position. So let's talk about why people love the Web 3 space. Number one, you make money online through cryptocurrencies. And when it comes to cryptocurrency, we have trading cryptocurrencies, we have spot trading and futures trading. And these are the ways you can as well generate income within the Web 3 space. We have NFTs and systems. Number two, financial freedom. No bank needed, which means no matter the amount of money you have in Web 3, you don't need a bank in order for you to make transactions. Financial freedom is not just when you have money. It is about when you have the control over your assets. That is what Web3 brings to you, freedom. Okay, that's financial freedom. Now you can see that Web3 is basically the next phase of the internet powered by the blockchain. And when it comes to Web3, it includes cryptocurrencies, NFTs, smart contracts, and digital ecosystems where people can earn, trade, and build. Now you have seen what makes my YouTube channel very different, because it's all about understanding, positioning early, and making better decisions in this crypto space. Very soon, I'll be posting about real ecosystems and opportunities like V3, VBoost, CS Coin, and other Web3 opportunities. I will break them down so you understand how they work and how to position yourself. So if this is the kind of content you want, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on my next post. This is just the beginning, and don't forget to join my Web3 community using the link below this video description. Once again, you're welcome to DannyCrypto, and I will see you on my next video.